Hi, I'm Bryce Shivers.
Hi, I'm Lisa Eversman,
And we put birds on things. Today we're gonna go to a store on Mississippi Avenue. Nothing has birds on it, but you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put birds on things.
Spruce it up, make it pretty.
Thank you.
Put a bird on it! Putting a bird on this teapot. It's a bird. I bet you it's flying all over the beach.
What a sad little tote bag. I know, I'll put a bird on it. Did you see this bag before? I didn't. Now there's a bird. It's flying, it's free.
Put a bird on it!
There's birds everywhere, and now you can open for business.
Please go away.
I'm allergic. I'm allergic. Yeah, you're not wanting.
Oh, gross.